back to the channel, guys. So for today's video, it's actually going to be a little bit different. And if you guys have seen my previous videos where I kind of said like my OEM taillights are actually my temporary taillights, that is because I got the new taillights right here. And if you guys know what Tanso Werkz is, they do have these really nice taillights available, and I actually got the clear taillights instead of the red or the dark version. I prefer the clear because I think it's gonna match really nice with the pearl white. So yeah, this shouldn't be a really hard installation. I think with overall the size should be the most easiest one. I think the one that's gonna take up the most time is the middle, which is the middle bar LED. So that is because I think it has to do a lot with the camera, especially where I don't know if it'll fit. It'll be like a direct fitment or so, but from what I've heard, you do have to kind of like adjust it or expand, I guess, the opening or whatsoever, but we'll see. But connection wise should be pretty self-explained. So as you can see, my trunk, it's already disassembled and all from the sides as well. That is because I knew I was going to get the new taillights, but those of you that, you know, have still everything intact, just make sure you have this thing removed, this part, don't know the exact name, and then just have the side openings available just so you can take out the side tail lights as well. But otherwise, you just need a 10mm wrench and you're good to go. Just gonna do a quick explaining how to remove the OEM tail lights. So there's two 10mm right here, and then 4 10mm in the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. Just unplug and it'll come out. So I forgot to mention, there's also these 10mm on the middle of the trunk, which you gotta remove. There's actually like a little cover right here, which is plastic. You just have to pry it out and it'll come out. But anyways, yeah, those are the two for each individual light right here, and it'll come out. Really hoping it doesn't fully rain right now. So it is kind of getting a little bit dark, so I can see those fat clouds coming through. So I'm gonna try to do this ASAP. So these are the sides. I would remove the right side, but dang, these things are clean. Can't really wait to install these. So it's nicely packed, obviously in the box, so it's a good thing for sure. Got that out, but yeah, just really direct, just plug and play. So I just got the side lights installed from both sides, passenger and driver side. So that was a really quick, easy thing to do. So again, I'm really trying to hurry up. This rain looks like it's gonna come anytime soon because I'm starting to hear the thunder. So just really have to remove the middle piece and that's it. I know you can hear that thunder already. So I don't know, I might have to call this a day. I'm probably just gonna slap the middle piece, but that's about it. But the whole thing of like wiring it up, I'm probably gonna have to wait till the storm stops or maybe till tomorrow, but we'll see. All right, so it looks like the rain passed by, but yeah, my car got really wet. But anyways, the Tanso does actually include like a bracket for the camera, as I was mentioning earlier before. I don't think you really need any like modifications to this, but really you just need to exchange the camera to the new bracket. So in order to do that, you actually have to like kind of remove this little connection right here for the camera, put that aside, and then there's 2 little screws right there, just one right here and then one at the bottom, tiny little screws. Then one that would be really helpful is actually this little screwdriver. Don't use any big ones, but use a little one, and that'll basically remove those 2 little screws right there. So here it is, guys. I just swapped the camera with the new bracket. So that screw was really annoying to put back in just because of the amount of space it has behind. So it's kind of hard, tedious at the same time, but yeah, just take your time with it. I did actually have to open the holes a little bit more, especially for the camera area, just so it could fit in directly. So that's just like one thing that you might take some time on. But yeah, now that I have the camera with the new bracket, I just need to plug back in and then put it back into the back trim of the trunk. Camera's back in, and it does stick out a little bit more. That's the whole purpose of the bracket, just because of the new LED bar. It's a little bit thicker compared to the OEM trim, which is just plastic. But anyways, that's the whole purpose of the bracket again, so it sticks out a little bit more. I'm gonna just go ahead and assemble the middle bar and just feed the cables through these holes. So there it is. I fully just routed the cables through each inner tail lights and got the whole LED bar for the middle side done. So I already put the screws back in, but I didn't fully tighten it. I'm gonna just do that once I fully connect everything. All right, so I already plugged in everything. So the blue cable from each inner tail lights, you actually have to connect it together right here, and then you could just like route it however you want. Me, I'm just gonna personally just leave it like that because this is gonna be obviously covered. For this thing just hanging out, it does actually come with this cable right here, which you're gonna have to route it behind this right here all the way through the back, and then that actually connects to this one right here. So in order to do that, you have to actually remove this plastic piece off, and then to do that you just have to press these little tabs right here. With a screwdriver helps. And so there you have it, guys. I got everything now assembled. Now for the real test of just unlocking it. Hey, got the sequential LED lights now. Now these are actually true to fitment, I'm not gonna lie. There's no actual gap around here, which is really good. So I was just a little skeptical of having like some gaps around here just because it's not OEM. But these taillights actually do speak for its price, and they're really good. I can tell you that for sure. That fitment is on point. Now for the moment of truth is actually turning on the whole taillights, and let's try to see that whole dance of the sequential taillights. Yes sir, that is tough, I'm not gonna lie. Damn. It's actually a lot more brighter than I expect. This is still daytime, so it's not really sunset yet. And these things are actually bright. That is nice. I really can't wait when it's night or sunset. These things are gonna for sure glow. So that is really it, guys. Once you have everything installed, last thing you gotta do is actually just install this bracket right here to cover the middle piece right here, and then just, you know, disassemble everything back that you disassembled. Same thing with these sides right here, and that's really it. I mean, this shouldn't really be a hard install. For me, it just took time because of the rain. It just got me out of nowhere. I tend to actually install parts when it starts raining. I don't know why, just my luck, I guess. But anyways, it's a super easy install. I say like probably 15 to 20 minutes max. Sheesh, that is tough. Looks really good at night, especially. Turned off. But anyways, I feel like the taillights just speak for itself, especially on the rear. I don't feel like I really need a spoiler or whatsoever. I think the taillight is already like good enough. Again, just that long LED bar suits the car really well. So it looks really good just being wingless. I'm gonna actually turn on my car because this thing keeps on shutting off on me. Yes, sir. So again, from side view angles, you know, the taillight actually extends a little bit more to the side, so there's definitely a lot of lights on that side. Back out a little bit. That's how it looks from the side. If you guys are looking to buy these taillights from Tanso, you know, you got again the option to get either the clear the blackout ones or the red ones. Me personally, I think the clear ones actually suit the car really well, especially with the pearl white. So just gives it that nice vibe. So can't really complain, really. Some close-up shots. I'm gonna step back a little bit, just how it looks from far away. Sheesh. Wish I had someone to like hold my camera so they could get me some slight rollers just to show you guys the taillights, how it looks when rolling away. But I mean, I might have to like put my camera somewhere around here just so y'all can see. So I'm gonna just put it right here. So there it is, guys. The Tanso taillights are finally on my IS. Again, just got to clean up a few things like my exhaust tips and do the whole match with my side skirt and my front lip, which I do have it on ordered, and something else for the door as well, so that is coming up soon. But anyways, I'm really happy with this taillight. I think it's a really great upgrade. Those of you that want to go with the, you know, the newer version IS taillights, it looks really good in my opinion. Fitment, again, is like almost like OEM, so there's no issues of like gaps whatsoever throughout the whole outer and inner taillights. Really perfect fitment, so can't really complain at all with these. So that is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. But anyways, I am out, and thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Peace.